I'm flipping these beet burgers. I'm calling them beet burgers, but there's, like I said, carrots and zucchini in here, so these are veggie burgers. They got that beautiful beet color, beautiful burgundy color. And they're getting a nice little crispness on the outside. Oh, I wish you were here to smell this. It smells so good. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. Ooh, oh my goodness, these smell so good. We were gonna pair these with some local sourdough bread, make a little sandwich with some fresh organic lettuce, maybe some mustard and sauerkraut too, like burgers. Okay, we're gonna cover these babies up and let them cook for another few minutes. See you in a minute.